Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of ABHIMANU Adventure Resort Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. This case has been reported in 107 ITR at page number 1. The case has been decided on 28th August 2023. In this case, there were two pertinent issues before the Honorable ITAT. First issue was that if the assessee is a corporate assessee and paying tax under section 115 JB, that is minimum alternate tax, then in that case whether agriculture income will be considered in calculating the book profit or not. And the second issue is that can assessee claim refund in section 154 application by having resort that by mistake assessee has included his agriculture income in calculating the book profits, then whether completing the assessment assessee has a right to get this benefit under section 154. In the present case, the assessee was in the business of ecotourism and at the same time was also having agriculture income. The assessment of the assessee was completed two times under section 147 on two different issues, and at both the times the returned income of the assessee was accepted. The assessee in its return of income while calculating the book profit has included his agriculture income, due to which some tax liability was there under the provisions of MAT, that is under section 115 JB, but under the normal provisions the assessee do not have any tax liability. After completing the assessment, the assessee came to know that the assessee has made a mistake by including the agriculture income into the book profits, due to which there is a tax liability of the assessee. So the assessee filed rectification under section 154 by claiming refund by excluding his agriculture income from the book profits. The assessing officer denied the, or you can say rejected the section 154 rectification of the assessee by saying that since the assessee has not claimed this into his return of income, so it cannot be allowed under section 154. When the assessee moved to the CIT appeal against the order of section 154 rectification, the CIT appeal was also of the opinion that the assessee has not claimed this into his return of income, so it cannot be allowed at this time. But when this matter came to the ITAT, by taking the shelter of the celebrated case Gatse India Limited, said that if the assessee has not claimed any benefit or any claim into the return of income, then it can be claimed at the stage of appellate authorities. And since the assessee has not to include his agriculture income in computing the book profits, because even the constitution do not have the right to tax the agriculture income, so according to section 4 only the real income should be taxed, and if any legitimate refund becomes due to the assessee, then it should be allowed to the assessee according to section 237 also. So in the present case, it was decided by the Honorable ITAT that if the assessee has not claimed any benefit into his return of income, then it can be claimed by the assessee under section 154. And in the present case, when the assessee has not taken the benefit of excluding the agriculture income from the book profit, the ITAT allowed it and directed the assessing officer to give the legitimate refund which is due to the assessee by excluding the agriculture income from the computation of the book profit. Friends, this case is very important because it throws a sufficient light on the concept that while calculating the book profits, if the assessee do have some agriculture income, then exclude it from the book profits and calculate your tax liability accordingly. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is ABHIMANU Adventure Resort Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. and this case has been reported in 107 ITR at page number 1. The matter has been decided by Chandigarh ITAT and the date of the judgment is 28th August 2023. Thank you, friends.